If you are editing videos on your iPhone in 2026, you have got some seriously powerful apps to choose from. In this video, I'll show you the best video editing apps right now, based on ease of use, features, and overall value, so you can pick the right one fast. Number 1. CapCut. Best overall. First up, CapCut. This is easily the best all-around video editing app for most people. It's completely free, packed with features, and very beginner-friendly. You get things like auto captions, AI effects, transitions, filters, and even advanced tools like keyframes and masking. It's perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The only downside, some features require internet access and you might see occasional watermarks depending on what you use. Number 2. LumaFusion. Best for professionals. If you want something more advanced, go with LumaFusion. This is basically a full professional video editing software on your iPhone. You get multi-track editing, color correction, audio mixing, and precise timeline control. It's a paid app, but it is worth if you are serious about video editing or creating YouTube content. Not the easiest for beginners, but extremely powerful once you learn it. Number 3. Adobe Premiere Rush. Best for cross-platform. Next, we have Adobe Premiere Rush. This is great if you edit on both your iPhone and computer. Your project syncs across devices, which is a huge advantage. It's simple to use with clean editing tools, transitions, and audio controls. However, the free version is limited and you will need a subscription to unlock everything. VN Video Editor. Best free alternative. VN Video Editor is another strong free option. No watermark, no subscription, and surprisingly powerful. It offers multi-layer editing, speed controls, transitions, and keyframe animations. It's a great alternative to CapCut if you want more control without paying. The interface is slightly less polished, but still very usable. iMovie. Best for beginners. iMovie is Apple's built-in editor and it's perfect if you are just starting out. It's super simple, smooth, and optimized for iPhone. You can quickly trim clips, add sounds, and apply basic transitions. But it is very limited. If you want advanced editing, you will outgrow it pretty fast. InShot. Best for social media. InShot is designed mainly for social media content. It makes it very easy to resize videos and add text, sounds, and effects for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. It's simple and fast, but some features are locked behind a paywall, and the free version adds a watermark. KineMaster. Best for advanced mobile editing. KineMaster is another powerful editor with advanced tools. You get multi-layer editing, blending modes, chroma key, and detailed control over your clips. It's great if you want more creative flexibility. However, the free version includes a watermark and the interface can feel a bit overwhelming at first. And remember, I have shown you how to remove the watermark in previous videos. Check them on the channel. Quick comparison. So here's a quick summary. CapCut, best overall for most users. LumaFusion, best for professionals. Premiere Rush, best for cross-devicing editing. VN Editor, best free alternative. iMovie, best for beginners. InShot, best for social media. And finally, KineMaster, best for advanced mobile editing. Conclusion and final verdict. At the end of the day, the best app depends on your needs. If you want something free and powerful, go with CapCut or VN. If you are serious about editing, LumaFusion is the best choice. And if you want just something simple, iMovie gets the job done. And my advice to you is to try all of them. Try all of them for a while, maybe everyone for a month, for example, and check which is better for you, which is more comfortable, which application is actually giving you all what you need in order to use it permanently after that. And that is it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos about such topics. Share this video to your friend who wants to be a video editor by using the mobile phone or his iPhone. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.